I feel every Nigerian supposed to play this song for their house every morning.
Make you dey encourage yourself.
Because everything they worry person for this country. If you just wake up, whether I look, don't vex you, whether you come everywhere get the hot. What's happen? Say some the best for Nigeria too.
Batch your car, scatter
Everything.
your fence.
You look here, wahala, look there, wahala. You see, come outside, you want to buy Gary, maybe you even drink, you know, see Gary drink. What's they worry? Everywhere they worry. Some guys don't want to go, they okay with their beer, they already check it. They say beer not cold. Now, boy, you want to give me drink? Everywhere, wahala. So make everybody just calm down. Just calm down. All right? So, right now, I get my first guest in the building. I don't follow me sit down already. We'll do one quickly, because this guy and one guy with the, following up things and everything. I like guys when they get passion, for their hustle. All of us must get that passion.
Straight up.
You know, guy wants to be. And I get my first guest already with me. Seated. Ladies and gentlemen, help me welcome Lamoury with me in the building. How far now?
Nice idea.
Now, wow. How do you feel this pattern? Say, because easy bit. We'll go buy this cap.
I think we will get one.
If I see the open road for government house, everybody now they wear cap that they feel like say, me now say baba. People know they shout that say baba again. So before they say baba, people they now they say, come on the phone.
You're on now.
Yeah.
No, you won't eat it.
How far now?
My bad deal.
How your side? This one, she not code they catch you. If you have ACO.
No, making an offer.
Talk true.
No offer,
See, this is not regular testimony for this show. We don't always talk out. Because you get where you all do reach. You know from saying no. No, are they okay? The code just they okay.
The thing they enter.
It enter me. Talk true though, because
but I still there alright.
but you still there alright. Okay. Maybe after the show now, we'll come know the real gist. Only you guys say, I better get hot drink. Okay, because it's enter my soul. Lamoury, welcome, my guy. All right, so I been asked earlier, say, which side of the country you come from?
I'm from Ogun State.
You go talk past like this, so you know sometimes swag they worry person too much. Too much. You know, since I mean wear suits, but I mean they craze pass. This suit they package you one kind, you know if you can't craze.
Yeah.
But the good at the craze. So you will know where the suits, just find out the craze. So you understand? So you say which side you come from, so?
Yeah, from Ogun State.
Ogun State. Yes. All right. So Lamoury, what's that name? What's it mean?
Nah. The name, Lamoury is actually coming from my real name. We say my papa mama give me.
Okay, which is
Olamoury.
Okay.
So we just shorten them, too sharp. Can't make them Lamoury.
Correct.
So everybody go feel pronounce the name well. So.
Okay, so how long have you done for this music industry?
You don't tell about it.
You have said
wow. Way back for like when I did school,
Okay.
So we can just do small thing, do remixes myself and my nephew Presley. So for laptop we could do different remixes. So but officially the thing gonna start last year.
Okay, officially.
When I got signed by LA Records.
Okay. Now they like when sometimes unofficially guys don't spend like 20 years.
Oh shit.
Unofficially.
Oh shit.
They can't eat like 6 months when enter the official. See this industry, hustle. Not be joke, not be joke. Because see this when it comes to creativity, like music, comedy, all this stage thing. My brother. If you do this thing, do. Last. You go all see press some kind of people for corner, But I see happy say any ITB. Your video don't even there outside now. Don't the jam I'm already for this side.
Yeah.
And you don't see the circulate already. Yes. So what's the title of the song we they push right now?
It's the song is titled Oluwatishe.
Oluwatishe. Okay, Oluwatishe. And Oluwatishe, for those who want to be Yoruba.
Oluwatishe meaning God has done it.
Okay, God has done.
So God don't do it.
So right now, what thing God don't do?
Say even this song, the song is not be just normal song, Now song you be say we come to being from my own personal experience,
Okay.
Waiting be say they happened to me at that very time. We be
Point
say
in time. Okay.
So,
Because as you talk, say no be normal music. I can't look say now only for shrine they play.
no be regular kind of. It's not irregular. It's not irregular. Yeah. We be say just say I won't pull out it. I won't do this. I won't do that. So it was just simple. It didn't just come easy. because say my personal experience. So.
Okay, personal experience kind of things. How writing? Now you write your own songs
Yes, I write my own songs.
by your own. You know how writing they come for you. Say you go first down. You know you go just carry. Some people they like toilet. You only for toilet. And then they just did it right. Just sit down. They do yeah. Yeah, God. You know, see one full verse don't come out. You understand? Now inspiration. Like me, I like to read for like calm place like toilet. Just carry magazine, just chill. You know, just do all right. Inspiration they come for me like that. I don't know how your own be. So how your own writing stuff they come for you?
My own, once I just put myself for the mood, then I just pick, things we say they happen, around me.
Okay.
And I had to take, then I look into what they happen at the moment.
At the moment,
in the industry itself, yeah, what they happen in the industry.
Yes.
It has to be, before I sit down and say I want, put songs together. It has to be say, waiting the kind of material we say, still the contemporary out there.
Yes.
So now the thing they be for me. So once I just put myself in the mood, the thing it flow. So.
All right. So right now we'll take your video and make people can see, and hear, about this particular artist we did with me in the studio. But finally now, how does it reach on top social media? People that want to follow you, relate more and all that thing, get your songs and all that.
Okay. On top social media, if you reach me on Artificial Amorim. Artificial Amorim for Instagram, for Twitter, Official Amorim. Official Amorim spelled OFFICIAL, then capital L AMORIN.
Okay. All right.
To enjoy more of these our Ogbonge videos when you just watch, press this button to subscribe on top of our YouTube page. You go love am.